All right, good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Monday, July 20th. We did make a good amount of money today on both all of our fundeds and some evals we just picked up. So if you guys don't know, I got 5 Tradeify growth accounts. I'm going to show you guys some bullshit that happened to me on Tradesy. Like, when I tell you some bullshit, I mean some bullshit. I literally hit my daily loss limit of 1250, and somehow I ended up down 1500 per account. Mind you, I didn't even hit my real stop loss. I was 1 point away from hitting stop loss, and it didn't even hit that price point. Yet I got filled for $1,500 on a trade that was a $1,200 daily loss limit. So some bullshit there. 400 per alpha account, 500 per top step account. I bought 5 more evals of Tradeify because I'm probably gonna blow the fundeds that I just lost 1,500 on. Third, past them just because they are select accounts. Energy drink of the day is a ghost, by the way. These are select accounts that have 40% consistency on evals, so I can't 1 day or 2 day pass them. And we did hit our profit goal on the Lucid Max. Just literally need 1 micro to trade today at 6 p.m., which is gonna be very cool to trade those out or test these accounts out. And then $1,300 across 5 funded next pro accounts, which is sick. I'm gonna go over every trade I took today, why I took it, why I actually had the wrong daily bias, but how I still made money. You guys would notice I get my daily bias right, honestly, 80% of the times. But even the days where I have my daily bias wrong, I still make a lot of money just because I know where to take profit and I'm not a fucking retard. So let's get into the trade recap, right? So first things first, we tapped a monthly gap. If you guys are not in the free Discord, you're missing out on a lot of free sauce. I literally told the Discord, I want to see us tap this monthly imbalance and rip. Why do I know that, or why did I say that? Let's take a look at the last time we tapped a monthly imbalance, right? Down here, monthly gap. What does the market do? Flip to the upside. Right here, monthly gap. What does the market do? Tap into it, flip to the upside. Bang, monthly gap, boom. Bang, monthly gap, boom. Bang, monthly gap. What am I expecting? A boom, right? Take a look at the daily. Look at the low resistance liquidity we have resting above us. This is a beautiful trend line for us to just rip and take out, right? Take a look at the 4 hour. What do I see on the 4 hour? I see price looks pretty bullish, in my opinion. We are pretty bullish on the 4 hour. We inverse this 4 hour gap. Nothing is really bearish about structure, right? We also have a daily gap resting above us. So if we were to be bearish, I want us to at least tap into this daily gap, which is also resting in a bearish range, right? So we have 0.5 of the bearish range aligned with a daily unfilled gap. So that's a pretty nice draw on liquidity. Let's hop down to the 15-minute time frame today. We are respecting every 15-minute bullish gap the price gives us, right? We tap this 15-minute bullish gap right here, push to the upside. We have this 15-minute bullish gap right here, flip to the upside, right? So what do I see off that? I see this pre-market high. I see we're rejecting this 15-minute gap. I see we make a 5-minute order block and close strongly above it. I enter off that, right? So price looks beautiful at this point in time. I set my stop loss right here for $1,200 at here. My stop loss is literally at 2961. Did price ever tap 2961? No. Let me show you my trade. See, you're gonna be in shock. You guys are gonna be in shock right now, like actually in shock once I show you my executions. Shit, you classy azul like it's apple juice. Oh, sorry. I'm low-key yapping right now. Here we go. Here's my stop loss. I got hit. This is my sell trigger. 28961. Sell limit. 28961. Never got hit. Never got hit. Yet my daily loss limit got triggered at 2961. Not only was my daily loss limit 1250, but I lost $1,450 per account. God knows why. TP was to make $1,700 per account. I was in this bitch with 4 minis. Like, bro, Either way, a loss is a loss, and I show you guys that full transparency. But now we come into market open. God knows what this is right here. But we come into market open. Same structure, same bias. We did take London and Asian highs, so there's nothing for me in that aspect of things. But what I'm seeing right now is we're still respecting this bullish 15-minute gap right here. We still have that unfilled daily above us, and we have this buy side right here. I'm looking for a strong 15-minute closure at 9:15. We got that. Did we get the 15-minute inverse? Sadly, we didn't. I would have probably added size if we did. But what I see price doing is respecting bullish OTE. We're respecting bullish OTE. Everything about this is bullish. Beautiful close at 9:30. I didn't enter at 9:29 because we could have easily rejected this 1-minute gap and dumped. But when we got that 9-minute or that 9:30 manipulation to the downside and then a strong closure above after respecting 0.618 of this range, I was like, you know what? This long is beautiful. Let me enter off this. It was basically a change in state and delivery that I entered off, and we got that nice long all the way up there. The actual fund is that I traded on this was the select flex evals. I ended up making 1,200 on those because of consistency, and then I ended up making 1,300 per account on my funded next. On my funded next, I actually entered with very heavy size, and I had to take profit here early just because of how much I was up. If I held to full TP on my funded next accounts, I would have made like 2.5 or 3K per account, and I have a 40% consistency on those, so I would have gotten screwed, and the max payout is like 1,500. So I got nerfed by consistency today, to say the least. But this is the trade that I thought was beautiful, A+, perfect today. I also thought this trade earlier was beautiful that I got chopped up in. I think it was just too early. Couldn't really. I'm so jet lagged, so I couldn't sleep today. I'm just energetic because I've been pumping myself with caffeine for hours now. So this was the trade for the day. Was I open to shorts? Absolutely not. My draw for the day was 100,000% bullish to the unfilled daily. Even when we dumped, I was still surprised that we dumped and took out these lows. I do see the LR here, and I understand the judgment behind price pushing lower. But after that, I did kind of just figure we were going to pump. So I was surprised that shorts played out so well, to be fully transparent with you guys. But yeah, it is what it is. We had the wrong bias coming to AM session because I was bullish, and we ended up dumping, and we did not take out my objective. But you guys know how I trade. Do I trade to external draws? No. I use external draws as my bias, and I use internal draws as my take profit just to be safe. Do I sacrifice a lot of profit sometimes by doing that? Yeah. But still make a lot of money with prop firms, so it is what it is. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment. I will be there to answer. Free Discord will be in bio for you guys to join up. Free daily bias, free modules covering my entire strategy. And I'll see you boys inside. Have a blessed day and peace out.